The two yellow pieces of glass that represent the lights that came together to show how high the Lancasters had to be before they could let the bomb go, and then underneath I've got fused glass to represent the water.
Absolutely incredible. We are so grateful to everyone that supported it. We said that it was reflecting peace and harmony and friendship and Thanksgiving mainly, you know, with the dam busters.
The window is a fantastic representation for the squadron as an entirety, and that is what Gramps always wanted. It was never about him, it was always about the squadron.
But 5 years ago there were still some survivors left, and they were interviewed, and we have a film about that, so to give this information to other people, and it's tragic to listen to them.
Yeah, it's incredible how young the squadron were back then, with Gibson in his mid-20s, the oldest member of the team being around about 37, which is still 5 years younger than myself. What they did back then, how they stepped up to the mark and delivered for their country was exceptional.